She played chopsticks on the piano. Was the only song she knew. Was her party piece, her inner release, and when she played she flew. I tried to teach her more, but I couldn't reach her, no, no. She played chopsticks on the piano. And it went something like this. Except it was on the piano. She played chopsticks in the morning. She played chopsticks through the night. Her neighbors had it tough. One day they'd had enough, and it ended in a fight. It happened oh so quick. Just a jab from a sharp chopstick, oh no. Dramatic pause. They played chopsticks at her funeral. As they lowered the coffin down, and all the while it kinda made us smile. Such a familiar sound. Now whenever I hear that song, I wonder what went wrong, oh no. She played chopsticks on the piano. She played chopsticks all the time. Now I miss her more than I ever did before. That sweet child of mine, sweet child